Welcome to the leading site news.
Karbiang Long Solar Power Project Affected People Right Committee Pen Borjan Lang LP School Aklam along Cheroktok Rat Ameipi kapaman. Thang ni phai ingkoi ragathom lakha ingkoi raisi Borjan constituency KDP ahawar men tisu arong Langkik LP School Aklam along Karbiang Long Solar Power Project Affected People Right Committee ahin pen Cheroktok Rat Ameipi kapaman. Bangso Amayalong Mai Kacepahem Kupon KASPPAPRC Advisor Bikram Hansepensi Japon Southeast Asia Transition Alliance Advisor Pranab Dole Land Right Struggle Committee Assam Subarta Talakdar Kursing Timung Sirising Be Anita Mek Rong Asar Lapen Mekar Atu Chetong Dunsi Mai RD Dojot Pen Padopon lo lapen mai judet penapi ferangke amai kami ingi ponthul
press journalist tumhan tame nilitum hin panel tumhan kachurupa jiriglo nilitum long for panel tum nang palepot aprangsi lamel bang hello pini nilitum lada Karbiang Long solar power project affected people's rights committee pen la so committee pen nilitum dak awareness program deng pon lo labang so awareness program bela hello je ADP guidelines Asian Development Bank pen kala funding agency pen a bank pen a guidelines at teng tangte rada tumhan consultancy pi pamenai rada tumhan labang so project puthak A to Z pi ma ke me ke nolam han pamenai labang so puthake ke damtang por ke than bon pedet la than bon pedet da joksi ili tum pini labang so phan awareness ili tum deng pon long la sipini labang so a program long dame nangache tong dun nili hindo Pranab Dole alang libangke Southeast Asia member activist lo la penili tumlo land rights joint struggle committee subroto alang li do ili tumlo alang li tamil tumhan ithini lamang thandon ji asil pini ke do bangke la hen lo je rong inkoi ra ke thomarat tum that affected lo la solar project aput 18,000 bighas along li la so along le ahem phu tum sai se lo Karbiang Long Autonomous Council pen ADB fan report below je 92.5% along lake wasted land unproductive land kasuli le along le pukipu lake falsely puitum siniad lo athema rat tum se dak long le dak si dobom thak bom busi tum thek long lo dak si check hirin akiti claim bom la pen ka duk ko weta mel tum dak rural economy fundamental le tum dak claim bom si tum thek long la so long pen only 5.8% along le sila dake ke do ke thaka tum chirai chot pu bangke chokchi usinil tum rat pan pini pachini chunang lo lasi non ke wang jilang port ame dak la bangso rat tum long le pek thek the pulo lasila bangso kachisong ing tang kring pen non ke wang dang lang tame deng ponji pusinil tum pini chini pon lo la do lasi non amar majot ase Pranab Dole he will also speak something about that to this gathering.
Thank you, Press Fraternity of Karbiang Long, for coming and representing the voices of the people of this area. And I, as a representative of the South Asian Just Transition Alliance, an alliance of all the South Asian countries who are fighting for the justice of people who were affected by projects like this, and also as a part of the Land Struggle Committee of Assam and indigenous rights activist, I am appalled by the sheer injustice that this project is going to bestow upon the people of Karbiang Long and the people of Assam. So the whole project is based on lies, and which is a travesty of justice, and it's going to be one of the biggest betrayal in the history of Assam of indigenous people, where more than 23 villages are affected directly, where people are completely going to lose out on everything. The environment here is going to be destroyed completely, but the reports that the government, the Karbi Autonomous Council and the Assam government has submitted for taking this loan from Asian Development Bank And it's a loan, it's not a free money, it's a loan that is put on the heads of our children, which is going to destroy our future. And the amount of lies that they have concocted in putting up this report is appalling. They have lied on every step. They are saying that no indigenous people will be affected, there's no impact on the environment, people have consented on their own free will. So here I would like to request and demand ADB to take cognizance of this whole project. The free prior informed consent, which is a basic mandatory criteria for Asian Development Bank to give any kind of loan for such project, has utterly been violated to the core. The environment impact assessment has not been done here. Intanki, Deupani, Gorampani, Kaziranga, all these wildlife sanctuaries are a stone's throw away from these places. There are land which is completely been cultivated for hundreds of years by the villagers here, which the reports given to the submitted to the Asian Development Bank is showing us wasteland where people do not waste it. So we are against this, and people have come together. They have not done any kind of awareness campaign here. Everything has been based on lies, and these are that's why the people here today has taken a pledge to democratically oppose this project, and we demand Asian Development Bank to immediately take complete cognizance of our complaints and have a democratic process where Indian government should not base their idea of just transition on lies, but on truth that protects indigenous communities who are thrown to very dangerous situation today in India and all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you. Gelong jia bang gele tum solar power bang elong lok po, me bang elong lok po, sida la bang so me kili ke ha UP, Maharashtra, ha Delhi, Chennai, ha dak siliji, ili tum la dak la so me ke tum lang tanti. Kidam tang example itu hydropower langpi hydropower thek long lo, hala dak ta power generate lo, sita am me ke long gele tum kar biang long so ram me long dun ke, lahen lo, itu lahini ka pang bar nangi bang lahen lo. Ti hoi panel itum Delhi tame Asian Development Bank itu meeting na hang lo, hala so meeting tame itum cetong dun lo. Lasi Asian Development Bank la funding agency itum bangke hala da basic guidelines bang pulo je rat itum hada kisung avedening la so project bidam pen. Rat itum culture kadu kowe kidu kethak anuhok economy phang ho hedet nang ji usala tum kipu. Da hala so teng pen pulo tang te la da ke non la da ka cheplang tu bangke da ke resettlement anta bang claim to lablo. La da ko 4,000 pages do la resettlement plan do dak bang signature ta tuning a February chiklopen bang pon lablon de la ke feri me khang jang lo la se Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fan pupe state government fan pupe governor fan pupe several memorandums ke pale edlo la song bong pentame ilitum fan dak report long ke long teng e bang la lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bang ke kache don dun mate wasteland pukadu ko be paklang dun mas paklang dun rong so ni thek long
Sonda nang tuma committee pe kemang gupilo sa min
nili tuma kemang ke nili tuma committee polilo that affected tu je longle pek thek the pulaso kachi song long si non markel tum arjap dun kluk lo
Sonda ke wangji lang tum pi steps dekman po
ki wangji lang step bang kele tum laso committee pen mate that affected tu men chingwai chingsai sin tum claim pon bompo sita democratic ron pen ron mai pukali suluk soda kali kachi song ning ing samjin ron pen India ron ateng pen laken litum chi song pon lahen la
sir tande nang liamu lam ting dak PC effect ma effect ma la hiwa lam thanlap nang pusi pun tangte non nang li PC pupo the council tum dak kadlana ting thanlap lu
nil tum ke theklong ke amu head jok nil tum la bang so awareness program do bom hutame ili tum a speaker tum ta me arjulo what is solar project po arjulo inut ta thakam thek bang we pilo solar power plant pen ale doji pilo butala ta inut ta thakam thek bang we. That means basic concept tame la rong inkoi ra ke thomorat fan ke thang da pachini pon pe pin la solar project ke me ke hinolam than pon pe pin la la si la bang ke totally guidelines ateng hedi kawailet pamelo busini tum jong pon to te la da ke wildlife sanctuary te ingnar pen chenglok jontu jonwar anta me daksi ke padu ko pathagi bolam si pula hai sida aingnar ta do non ta aingnar ta do atik jat ta do dak jontu jonwar ta do be elephant corridor ta project ke wanu ni pin khangjang nang po sida pipolo la tum ke wani fan board year ke lahin le litum ke jong dun ke lalo la si eco sensitive zone pulo to padone la pen litum tribals man ke tribals dwellers act 2000 forest act di 2006 alom penta itum aron ta duel lo ala so rona teng ben itum duun la da itum hem ga charning 3 stories ayam le kiminita asam ta hem so ki bun ala so rona teng ben di sita pini ani bang galang litum eco sensitive zone pu sita alang litum ke da solar project mate aron re aki ong along le 18000 bighas along le ke chirai pansi bor ipon nai pharo phanang bong pen
আৰু গোটেই অসমতে আমি এই মাটি যেটো অধিগ্ৰহণৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আমাৰ ফাইট চলি আছে আৰু আমি আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ এই মানুহক আমি এটো জনাবলৈ আহিছিলো যে এই যেটো মাটিৰ সংগ্ৰাম তেওঁলোকে কৰি আছে তাত তেওঁলোক অকলশৰীয়া নহয় আমি ল্যান্ড লাইটস জয়েন্ট স্ট্ৰাগল কমিটিৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি তেওঁলোকক সম্পূৰ্ণ সমৰ্থন আগবঢ়াম এই স্ট্ৰাগলত আৰু এই গোটেই বিষয়বস্তুটো গোটেই অসম জুৰি নিয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা মানে পাব্লিক অপিনিয়ন কাৰ্যসূচী আমি এটা হাতত ল'ম আৰু আজি আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে আদানীৰ হাতৰ পৰা বা ৰামদেৱৰ নিচিনা ব্যৱসায় আহি পেলাই মাটিবিলাক অধিগ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছে আৰু তাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে মানুহে ফাইট কৰিছে জিকিছে আৰু আমি ভাবোঁ কাৰ্বি আংলঙতো মানুহে ফাইট কৰিব আৰু জিকিব আৰু আজি এই বৈঠকখনে ইয়াৰ প্ৰমাণ কৰে ধন্যবাদ
Thank you. Aprangsi ke lahen lo, ili tum ladak solar project jong si dulu pelotang te, ka efek je bangke 18,000 bighas. He dung along le ke lake ili tum Karbi Anglong pen ke lake dam jui po. On top of that la rong ingkoi rake thom amulu ko tum bang surhini bak sose alang litum bangke ladak pen kacuklem kacodam ta cuklem long ledet po lalo lapen iltum Karbiatum a culture a tradition ta dakpen itum so angkang ban ke dam ji po ilitum aron barem tum pulonte than thili kardom kardi athai ta dam ji po Christian ator mon do church pen chenglo kadu we tamila dakpen dam lapo lai ke ilitum religious attack lo lapen itum a cultural ban attack hidum lo lapen on top of that life and death alam do ilitum dak masi dun edet khangjang lahin lo kit inai
nilitum mate nilihin kipu mate rat pan ke pachini kangtung sarkar hang pachini kangtung alam thegel plan lo jela 18000 bighas along le abangke dak borjan arat tumke pek te khei pusi abang putin da ningjelo sita angkrak pen tum berta kelong duna teng pote adhok tum phan komane tum kit her adu pusi arjulo lasi amut pialam nangel halo laso 18000 bighas along le abangke APDCL upon council tum kipideji pasila tum chisik tanglo lapen APDCL lapen council tum chelangsi ADB Asian Development Bank tum pan khodai deji sila tum kachisik lo lasi nil tum kachinda mateng polrante lake council tum longle kachujor 18000 bighas along le kachujor ye pasila tum chisik lo lasi labangso 18000 bighas along le along banke raratum chidon tek thei pusi pini dak amailong tame kaduk beto ratum do opinion pilo lasinil tum hin pen ka chunuri kang tunggal halo council tum labang so lambang mathapa mera la 18000 bighas along le bangke APDCL fan TPP DG fan sinili hin ban chunuri lo nil tum hin ban chunuri lo la penil tum kar julong teng polong te Asian Development Bank tum bangke jongsi dak kido araratum jongsi chidon de po ang thek paklang thek detlo ang thek do koklo polong te Asian Development Bank tum bangke la solar project upon tangkai sponsor sei pusi alang tum pen kaning je pu dan tum birta longdu athe Asian Development Bank tum si tangka dak pene sponsor ji lasi dak poisa pidet pen mo api alama ki do koklo polote la tum atangka bangke na hogdet pu pulat na ka pheri do pu dan tum arjulong athema la dak la so 18000 bighas along le upon 4000 crore atangka pen si kinam ji han ka sik pusti dum arjulong lasi la 4000 crore atangka kachi palong logje phansi council of an APDCL tum kabur I putan tum birta longdun lasi labangso 18000 bighas along le solar project han ki pia bangke lake Karbiang long arat aphan lake ki pigali mate Karbiang long arat alle aphan lake hodai kali lake ha West Bengal Kolkata Delhi Mumbai long ki do akiche so tum phan me kapat dorji phansi dak solar project bangke bigi lape lasi Karbiang long arat tumchi nagi lapen nili kan ko adusi nili kan kang tunggal halo labangso akisung ke laki Borjan arat chole kisungali laki Karbianglong arat laki kisung laki labang so 18,000 bikas along leke dam juke laki dak Borjan havar det along leke dam kali laki Karbianglong along leke dam no lapot sinili tumihin penke ke wang tujiar nianta labang so solar project aphan council ben kapapilong le deji fans nili tum ing tangkring pen chisong punji busin ke kachisigdu